You guys having fun? We're not wearing rubber too much? That's good. Now we're having a ball. These songs are so much fun to sing. Now we've had some incredible experiences throughout our career. I've got the chance to work with some amazing people. And we toured with Janet Jackson, Celine Dion. 12 years ago we had an incredible opportunity of touring and getting to see one of the greatest entertainers we've ever seen on stage. And that was the late great Michael Jackson. And more recently, we're so thankful we've got the chance to get to know and work with the man that's presenting us here in Las Vegas, and that's Mr. Smokey Robinson. Smokey is such a beautiful man, and we feel so honoured that he introduces us here on stage every night. The first time we met Smokey, we wanted to do something really special for him. And we didn't have our band, we didn't have a CD player, we just had our four voices. And so we worked out our own a cappella version of one of his most beautiful songs and sang it for him.
But in the